Hi there. Today we're going to discuss about differentiation of logarithmic function. So y is equal to ln of x. Let's say we have a natural logarithm. So if we want to differentiate this, so the definition, so differentiation will be what? 1 over x. So differentiation of logarithmic function is 1 over x. So in general, if you want to see this one, so that's mean y is equal to ln of anything. So once we're going to differentiate this, so this will become 1 over whatever is here. But as you can see, if you have given like y is equal to ln of 5x, so now if we wish to differentiate this, so then what is the differentiation for this? 1 over, as we saw here, 1 over whatever, so that's mean 1 over 5x. But we will not stop here, since we know there is a 5x and we need to apply a chain rule on this one. So once we will differentiate this inside 5x, the differentiation for this one will be 5. So that's mean dy by dx will be equal to 1 over x. Okay, let's have a look on this example. So if we're going to differentiate this, so again from this definition, so dy by dx will be what? 1 over 4x squared plus 2x, since we saw here whenever we are differentiating ln of x, so it will be 1 over x, so 1 over whatever. And then when we apply chain rule here, so if we differentiate this inside, so derivative of 4x squared will be 8x and derivative of 2x will be 2. So we just simplify this one, so this will be 8x plus 2. So we need to move a little bit. Okay, so here dy by dx will be equal to 8x plus 2 over 4x squared plus 2x. So if we want to simplify this, we can simplify this one too. Okay, so from here, if we just simplify this a little more, because here we can see we can have 2 as a common, so this will be 4x plus 1 over 2x will be common, so this will be written as 2x plus 1, so this 2 and 2 is going to cancel out, so the final answer can be 4x plus 1 over x times 2x plus 1. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. See you again.